How to remove rotoscope filter from TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide, and in today's guide video I'm about to simply show you how you can actually remove the rotoscope filter from TikTok. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. First things first, you simply want to make sure you have actually updated the TikTok app to the latest version. If you haven't updated it already, you could head over to your device's app store. In the search box, type in TikTok and go ahead and simply update the TikTok app to the latest version. Once you've actually updated TikTok, I'm going to simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now before I go ahead and try to remove the rotoscope filter, I want to simply try to actually apply the filter, and in order to apply that particular filter, what I will do is from the top right hand side of the screen, I will simply tap on the discover icon. And in the search box, I'm going to simply type in rotoscope. So go ahead and simply type in rotoscope. In the search results at the top, you'll find this effect called rotoscope. You can tap on it. And if you actually want to try this rotoscope filter, what you have to do is at the bottom, tap on the use this effect button. Now basically what you need to do is simply actually record yourself with the rotoscope filter. So I'm going to simply go ahead and record myself. So as you can see there, we have actually applied the rotoscope filter, and if you actually want to remove the filter, what you have to do is simply tap on this effects button at the bottom left of the screen. And in order to actually remove this effect, you would simply have to tap on any other effects, right like this. Once you actually tap on any other effect, or you could also simply choose to remove the effect. And in order to remove this filter, what you have to do is you would simply need to tap on the check button from the bottom right hand side of the screen, and in that way you would be able to remove the rotoscope filter from TikTok. This was the way on how you could very easily remove the rotoscope filter from TikTok. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.